Search and rescue efforts are underway in parts of Oklahoma City after a massive tornado leveled homes and buildings. 2 hospitals have received dozens of injured from the tornado. Several are in critical condition. The widespread debris has left many to fear the worst. A young man who worked in a stable survived.
When they started flying, I just dove in a stall, and that's about the last. I got covered up with some debris, and then pushed me down the shed road. I was pretty lucky, I suppose.
The grief has only just begun.
Why couldn't this just hit my house and let this place alone?
Water just picked all that up.
Witnesses say the tornado appeared more fierce than the giant twister that was among the dozens that tore up the region in 1999, killing more than 40 people.
As Travis will back out and we'll kind of pan to the right, you'll see the neighborhood that I guarantee you some of those cars came from.